All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, y'all? Whew. It's today Wednesday. Oh my God, bruh. I'm so tired. I was at work last night till 4 o'clock, man. Uh, I got there at 7:30 and had to put in two grid ceilings, wires, all of that. And I was a tired boss, but I got like an hour nap in before pulling up. So hopefully I'll be all right. um One thing on the scanner. So over last weekend I went through my journal and put a 1 billion restriction because I can't my journal doesn't have a filter for float. So I put a 1 billion in there. Guess the data was pretty clear because I think I played with half a bill too. I don't know. Having a conversation with Trey about it because like 20 million float was working, and then I saw the data and I decided to delete that filter and use a billion market cap instead. Um, hmm. And I don't know because the data on the 1 billion market cap was pretty nice. 4 to 1, 30%. But I feel like it was a change. Like I feel like 20 million was working, and then I just decided to change it. Like it wasn't broken though. You know what I mean? So, um, hmm, I guess we'll see. I'm gonna track both going forward, float and market cap. But we gonna see. We gonna see. Oh man, contacts dry. 4 minutes to the open. In other news, I hear small caps are back. So that's cool. Speaking of things being back, and where's my phone? Okay. Yo, H, what's going on, bro? Did I tell you I went 100% catalyst, H? Yo, Bobby, what's going on? What's with the green name? That's cool. You got a star? Oh, snap. Sized up on VCIG? Okay, Bobby. Did you become a member, Bobby? Is that what that means? How are you green with a star? That's interesting. Congrats on VCIG. Wow, that's a pretty chart. Ah, dude, that's awesome, man. That's super cool, Bobby. I appreciate you, man. Man, that is a clean looking chart. Not bad, bro. Super saucy. Yeah, HH. I put it as a thing on my scanner where I could put um days since news, and I put that joint at 0. So everything coming across my scanner gotta have news on it. Yeah, bro, that's one to size up on, Bobby. Congratulations, bro. Well done, sir. Well done. All right, we got 2 minutes till the open. It's looking thin pre-market, hoping we get a bunch of volume coming in this bad boy. Um, or whatever, or not. Receives notice to proceed on 2.4 billion power generation project for Base Electron to supply power to Applied Digital AI Factory campuses. That sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. No trade, OG. Yeah. Yeah, it still feels pretty quiet out here. But I've really secluded myself from the world with my scanner, It just shows me what I need to see and nothing else. And that is the test. So yesterday I completely failed, and today I must stand on business. There's the open. Not seeing a bunch of volume coming in. Poop factory. Yeah, this ain't looking like the one. Maybe over 82. Okay, here comes some orders. Shelf offering. I am glad to be out of that area. I think I'm out of that area. Don't nobody care about BW. Yo, what up, Trey? Oh man. So that's why you got no trade by OG. Ooh, look at that. Now we got some volume. You gonna make it up there over PMH? Oh yeah. Yeah. Uh who's that? Rob calling out 30 on VCIG. Yeah, this thing about to be fire.
BW.
Tomorrow is another day. That's facts, bro. All right, now don't do it all at one candle now. I was talking to Focus yesterday about taking the speaking of Focus, let me switch to live chat. Ah, there he is. Speaking of Focus, was talking about taking that pre-market high break, man. But I'm gonna chill. Oh, you out BW? Dang, bro. Just calm down for a second. Yeah, I know. I just don't think Billy's as problematic on these higher floats. But just gonna be patient. See if I can get two reds at least. That might be it though. Oh, you tested it. Come on, tap VWAP one time for the one time. Dang, my heart rate is going crazy. Yeah, rolling on there. You might as well tap VWAP one time. Might as well.
long as it holds VWAP pre-market high, and we get a new high. Nah. Mm-hmm. Sure does.
Order filled.
That was a pretty big pullback.
Order filled.
All right. Yeah, I really was expecting to turn around a little sooner, but I'm okay with being aggressive at the open instead of waiting for it to top out under this low. I'm not trying. I don't want to give room to be wrong. Like if my idea is wrong, I want to get out. So like I don't want to risk wider than the low of the candle that I'm entering believing that this candle is going to be the low. So if it's not the low, then I want to get out and reassess. Decent. This looks trash to me now, Ben. Yeah, it didn't want to hold VWAP and pre-market high. That's a wrap. Nah, it's got to come all the way back up. Yeah, it's got to come all the way back up. At least over 1020, 1022. Nothing, Bobby. Sahara Desert over here, bro. Man, shout out Bobby, first member of the Struggling Day Trader channel. I got to come up with some specific content now. YouTube encouraged me to unlock the member thing. I hadn't really thought it out too much, man. Super appreciate the support though, bro. Okay. Whoa. Scanner's empty. Shut it down. All right, we got one. We got one. For real, bro. First member. That's why I didn't even know what that was, why your name was green. Appreciate it, bro. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We take out 1022. I'll take a pullback after that. Especially burying this volume right here. I like that. Gotta take it out though. Yeah. My thing is I would rather take an R. I'd rather take an R loss right here on the first tap, on the first pullback to VWAP. You know what I mean? Then, 30 minutes later when the 5 minutes, way up there. Well, not at the moment, Ben. Not at the moment. But things can change. Thanks, Focus. Yo, Brian, my man. What up, big? How you doing pre-market? Did you get some VCIG as well? Yeah, it's probably done though, Ben. There's just not really that much volume going on. Uh-oh. Oh, really? It was restricted. I heard that there was like a document that you could sign with Schwab to unlock those tickers that people weren't able to trade. Is that true? Anybody can vouch for that? Oh, there was some volume. Yeah, that was big volume on that candle. But we're back above that candle, so back above 10. So we'll just see. If we take out 1022, I'm back interested. I'm fine being blocked, being yeah. I think that was HH talking about it. Like, he appreciates being protected from the garbage. Mm. T12. News pending. It's a nice chart. Mm. Morning, Knives. Kinda. Do I know why it would go up? You mean besides the news? I read the I read the title. Receives notice to proceed on 2.4 billion power generation project for Base Electron to supply power to Applied Digital AI factory campuses. Asking for a friend. I think we still got a shot. Now the line in the sand is 10-10. There's 10-10. Okay, I see that. You talking about from this point, or we talking about the top? A little lopsided, but I can see it. Looking for a clear trend. Okay, yeah. I see it. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. H, you didn't ever tell me what you thought about the news though, or did you? You're not gonna tell. That's hilarious, Stanford. I'm definitely not getting in the chop. I'm waiting. It's got to get over 1022. Or not 1022. What is this? 15. Why do I want to trade this one so bad? It's just the only thing I got to watch. I'm looking for 16 on the printer. I can see it already. I can see it already. Hidden week on the tape. I just seen a rotating number come down on the print.
Order filled.
Well, geez. $20 on the printer. I seen it though, HH. I ain't need the training wheels on this one. 20 on the printer. Tape is weird as heck right now. I don't know what the heck's going on. Barely. Oh yeah, on AIFF. Me from the past side. That's what's up, Trey. Dang, killer. Oh, snap. Everybody papering today? I hope I don't get left out. Hope I don't get left out. You got your popcorn? Me too, bro. No trades, Ben. Hmm. Yeah, I'm working on it, HH. I let my no trade day from yesterday slip right out of my hands. Almost had it. Taking souls. Quick, quick, quick. Yep, that's a hurt. You gotta sell at pre-market high, right? Ain't that what you're supposed to do? This mug just keep getting hammered. It's ticking up though. Bid over 22. It's ticking up. Right. Straight up. I don't know. If I ain't seen Palm pop in yet this morning. I don't think. Pond is back in the battle station now. Pond is out of retirement, so he over there getting it right now. 15 looking pretty solid. I'm just worried about that super huge high day wick right there. Nah, I guarantee Pond's in the battle chair right now. Guaranteed. Spy moving up too. Spy just made a new high day. Pond in there right now. Like telling you. Long as he take his stops, Pond gonna be good. Womp womp. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles up on the 5. Yeah, do do do. 15 looks pretty solid. What's this low? Is my candle under that low? 994. That looks purty. That looks purty. That looks real purty. Make you want to add to it. If we was doing that type of thing. If we was doing that type of thing, I want to add right there. Boom. Boom. Come on, Bugsy. Let's get us up to that higher day, baby. Come on, Bugsy. Oh, wow. Right on back, huh? right on back. Oh. Bitcoin back over 70K. Flow. Nah, we gonna wait for the we're gonna wait to flow on some ads for sure. I could tell you better after the trade. Trade after that post trade clarity. Look like we're gonna tap into that here pretty quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my original stop on this, which is 92. Are you sure? Where'd I get in? What's this low? 98. It definitely shouldn't come back that low. VWAP's 1004. Yeah. I just kind of want to be under that 15-minute low, but do I? Not really. Not really. Nah. Pooh Shiesty special. This is definitely flow, Trey, for sure. Yeah. Man, I want to be under this 15-minute low so bad. 994. It just shouldn't break that low. Trade idea is done if it does. Yeah. Yeah, it was HH being grateful for the blockage. Yo. I know, man. I'm like, dang, it's been a long time. Hope I'm okay. Spy is rolling. 684. Another new high today. Back over 1020. I built real different. Hey, y'all, hit the like button for me, man. Hit the like. Do it. Do it. about to see though. We about to see though. We about to learn right now. Mm. Back over the open of that red candle. How we looking? Yeah, that's clearly the problem. Well, worst case, we got another 1.5 hour loss day. Or, might get slipped to 2. The bloodthirst. 10-11. Can we get to 10-12? Still no trends drawn. All right, man. What's up, Ponky? He said, please help. Oh no. It's still halted. Ponky. No. Oh man. Prayers up, bro. And said might resume lower. I mean, yeah, it's probably a good bet. Or at 30. Oh man. Dang, Ponky. Make me want to put that over here. What was that again? CAMF. Oh man. What's your average though? That's the question. I'm gonna feel real good. We pop out of this trend line, HH. Over here giving me false hope. Yo, the SPY is breaking out. Let me see what my dividend basket looking like. 1150. Oh, okay. Looking bad. Immediately, Bobby. Immediately. Expeditiously. It looked good though. It's looking good now. Sort of. It really does need to break out of that trend line. Which it seems to be respecting. Should have covered at 850. Yeah, no stuff. Easy to say now. Probably looking for that $5. That sucks how they can just halt your trading, bro, and you just be stuck in a position. That's crazy, bro. I don't know if that's right. Come on, take out 21. There it is. Somebody bought that whole thing. He said, I don't mind if I do. 38 for sale, 38 purchased. Oh, is that a trend line break? It's on the one, though. It don't count yet. No crying in the market. uh, there we go. That's looking a little trend breakish. Hmm. All right. For sure, no more trades after this. 10:30 has arrived. This is it. Do or die. We got to take out this high right here, though. 35. That's the big number. Oh, yeah. That could be good news then, huh? Just go already. You know it's dark when you start looking for what other people are saying about the stock you're in. I used to be on Facebook in the stock groups real tough, and people come in, hey, what do you guys think about such and such? Should I sell or not? Like, hey, bro. I don't know what to tell you, big dog. It's a tough situation. I hope it works out. We right there. 35 is right there, bro. We definitely got the trend line break. Like a nice break. Clean. Break it clean. Where do I think my stop goes? Under the trend line break. I'm gonna let this 5 minute candle close, and then I could definitely slide it right up under there at 10:14. This is low. Nah, if it breaks down, that's a wrap. It's 10:30. $10.86. Where you get that from? Man, it's Bootsy, bro. Might be all right, Ponky. Really, Knives? Thanks, man. Ooh. Ooh. Huh. 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 What's that? 10:35 on the ask. Hit it. Hit it. I really enjoy the tape. Like I've really been enjoying watching the timing sales and the level 2 a lot. Come on, hit. Oh, we got a 35 print. We got a 35 print. Can I get 36? Yes. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Stop up to 10:07. Look at that, baby. All right, now what we doing at this level? That's the question. I ain't sat this long for peanuts. uh, only one R, yo. You gotta hold that 35 level, bro. You gots to. Good job, Bugs. Oh, not there yet. Not there yet, Bugs. Slow down. We ain't doing nothing until at least 3. I'm looking for it's gotta hold 35, yo. Is it raining? Sure is. Maybe 2. um Receives full notice to proceed on 2.4 billion power generation project for Base Electron to supply power to Applied Digital AI Factory campuses. Sounds pretty good, but HH said, did you read it? Like there was some hidden information in there that I'm missing out on. Which, I mean, there was only one stock on the scanner. It wouldn't have hurt to have read the article. Yeah, that's the only thing about it, OG. That's the only thing about it. But, you know, just might be one of them slow grind joints. I hope 47 ain't a wrap. Yeah, you know, don't hurt. Oh, yeah, bro. It don't even come across my scanner if they don't have news on it, bro. I don't even see it. I sure hope that 5 don't close that low like that. That looks terrible. This show is about to. Back under 35. It's gonna break now. I know it's gonna break this time. Oh man. You know me well, Trey. VCIG. Jeez, why would you hold this? AIFF. These choppy stuff, man. Yeah. Man, all that build up for nothing. Yeah, I know bag holders be bag holding. I mean, we seen Choo Choo hold hold well below reasonable levels on something. Yeah, I probably could have went to BE on that move. Definitely looking at a paper cut at this point, though. Super low volume on this pullback. Will buyers step in? And some homeless. Will the buyers come back? Baby, come back. And homeless. Uh, yeah, the scanner's dialed, bro. The scanner's dialed. Plus, the market is hella slow right now for my scanner anyway. It's just like I was just happy to see one thing today. Like, oh my god, bro. Ooh, look at that. Little Durkio trigger on the 5. Mm-hmm. That's how I go too. Them false expectations, OG. You get you jacked up. Just like me not selling that 1047 up here. I know. I'm gonna keep raising my stop up though, so something gonna happen. Cause it ain't done yet. Boom, shakalaka. Mm-hmm. You talking about from here to here? Or do I just raise this one up to there? Oh, I don't know. I'm just playing my game here. I'm just here for a bigger move than that, you know. My we got a big catalyst day, big gap up. I'm expecting a move over 1047. You know. So like we're just getting started right now, buddy. At least that's the hope. That's the trade idea, you know. See how it goes. We take out this high though. I'm gonna be cool with raising my stop. Or should I wait for 1048? My mind? No. I'm just playing the chart, bro. Playing the chart. Yeah, I mean I guess it is my mind, you know. That's pretty much trading patterns here. Looking for a repeat. A similar outcome to when I've seen this happen in other stocks. Just like when you see the tape start flipping, you're hoping for a similar outcome to when the last time you saw the tape flipping. You know, you're hoping that a seller's gonna wait a little while before he slaps the his big fat order in there. Hey man, they charge commissions per trend line, bro. I can't be doing all that. That's hilarious. Five is nice though. Little shooting star on the 15. Ooh, 120 on 38. You can sense it. Are you trolling me, bro? You be trolling me hard lately, Trey. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Yeah. What's up, Val V? Let's call you V. What up, V? I use chartswatcher.com. Chartswatcher.com. I've been rocking with them since they first came out with, and it was free because they were just beta testing it. And somebody in my Discord dropped me the beta link, and yeah, it's pretty legit, man. They did a good job. The only sound effect I want to hear is order filled at $11. Order filled. Yo, what up, Siege? Mama need. I know, man. I was really hoping that DOS would let me have different alerts for different order types or different like when I get a reduction in P&L or an increase in P&L. I couldn't figure out, and there may be a way to do it, but I couldn't figure it out. Just the only thing I could see is an order filled. When an order gets filled, you can trigger something. So if we break that low, that would be a lower high on the 5. I kind of want to move my stop up under this red hammer right here, but I really want to wait. The appropriate thing is to wait for this high to get tested. But I mean, I think that's a pretty clear spot. What's this? 16? Yeah, I'm going 14. It's too late in the day to be playing. Oh, really? All right, we got a 3-cent stop now. Up from 9.96. The 1014 on the stop. Honestly, I wanted to get in on this higher low right here, which would have got me in over 1008, but I really wanted it to move over this high, and I needed my entry to be over pre-market high too. So took a little bit of a wider entry. Oh yeah, that's cool. What you say, HA? Oh, those KNF boys sweating bullets. Yeah, ain't no telling when they gonna get let out. Oh man. Yeah, see the indicators on DOS aren't that dynamic, unfortunately. You know, they're good for what they do, but they don't do all the tricks and stuff. But you can script whatever you want apparently onto the chart. I just haven't really dabbled with that, but seems pretty cool. One day, maybe I'll read the manual like Red said. Man, I really don't like this choppy right here. Yeah, man, just go on back up, bro. Dang. Ooh, I like that volume coming in. Yeah. Come on, man. Take it on now. Back over 40, baby. Print that. Yeah, that's nice off the EMA right there. Like that. Think script. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get to that next level one day. As soon as I figure out how to win some of these trades. Free up some time. Buy back some of my time. 39. Come on, 40. Where you at, dog? Where you at, dog? We got 40 print. Come on. Man, SPY looking real nice though. Happy to see that. What do we learn from today? That's a good question, HH. All right, Trey. Let me sit back. Stock trading stock over 10%. Yeah, that the scanner gonna give me that, bro. Scanner said 10% gap, day one news, 20 million float. Draw my freaking trends. Yeah, I mean, I could have stayed out of this trade all the way to the trend line break, honestly. I could have bought this retest right here and we would just be, just be chilling. But I got a better entry over here anyway, so I don't know, it's pretty close. Pretty close. Tighter stop and everything. But, over here I would have had the trend line like, down to here or something like that, you know. So, the trend line could have got me in here or here. Definitely not here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Hold up.
I was trying to figure out. I was sitting here thinking like, how am I gonna use the trend line for my stop when it keeps going down? How's that gonna work? But then my brain turned on, and now I understand. Now I understand. Look at that. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? Yo, HH, man. You've been kicking game for a long time, HH. Come on now. I know the party ain't over yet. I know the party ain't over yet. All these beautiful green volume candles here. I knew you wanted 36. Come on, baby. Blast through 40. And we good to go. Then we got to take out 47. Chilling. Come on, come on, come on. Doing 19. I'm not quite confident enough to move it up that tight, but I like to be over break even at this point. I feel like 24 is probably a good spot. What is this? Yeah, it would be. But I want to be a little patient here. Because Trey said it's making new highs. Man, serious though, Bobby. Okay. 42 on the printer. Come on, man. Come on, man. What a grind, bro. What a grind. Two came and went. Poof. 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 All right, squad. This is your friendly reminder to hit the like button for your boy. One time for the one time. Por favor. Thank you kindly. Thank you kindly. Yeah, this is a little painful, ain't it? What is that sentence? Well, could stop management. Dang, can F. Yo, shout out Ponky. Yo, Ponky. You still in here, Ponky? Stop down to 8, Ponky. Stop down to 750. I don't know, bro. Good Lord. Yo, Ponky. Ponky, where you at, bro? Where you? Oh, man, we got a trend line break on BW. Down to 27. Daggone it. Daggone it. It's over. I should have minded that trend line. Man, now I want to stay under this low again. For 2 cents. Yeah. What is this low? 16. Dag nabbit. I hate moving back down. It feels like such a sucker move. Is that 14? That's 14.
Well, that's my stop rule anyway, so I shouldn't feel bad following it. Appreciate you, Siege. Yeah, I'm gonna follow that trend line next time, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, that's definitely the hard line in the sand, but I'm about to get
Order
slapped.
filled.
Dag on it. uh, no, just kind of, rolling with HH on that one. That's gonna be crazy. That Joker just bounce off pre-market high. But nah, structure's broken. Structure's broken. Wompity womp womp. That's cool though. I'm trying to make something out of nothing. Tried to make something out of nothing. This ain't really where we're trying to be anyways. So, what did we learn here? Report card F. Was that trade worth it? Nah, probably not. I mean, if it would have squeezed, it would have been worth it for sure. So, it is what it is. It'd be like that sometimes. It really wasn't nothing going on today. So to walk away down 1R, it's not the worst. But based on the results, not the process. No. hmm. 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 Red Day Rob. Oh. He said, nah, my boy, I'm talking about you. When last time you had a red day, Rob? Yeah, I just been getting just not like the opportunities that I've been served or serving myself. I don't know, whatever you however you want to debatable. Yesterday was bad, but I mean if I guess I was gonna say something that was outcome based, and I guess that's not really yeah, that's what I was about to get at, Bobby, but that's results based, not process based. Um yeah, I'm sure you were. Oh yeah. Um hmm. On this, I needed to flip to the five after, 9:45, 10 o'clock. Like I was saying, Trey, I kind of forgot about that. Um I should have took the dang on. I really wanted to take this break right here, but it was under pre-market high. I didn't want to be acting that crazy. But I was really looking at that. That would have been crazy. But I kind of I just kind of want to be more aggressive at the open, you know. Um I'm I'm so comfortable taking swings after the move, you know. And it's just like, yeah, I'm done. I'm done. That's two swings. That's two swings. No excuse for not selling it all at the 47 cents mark. I mean, I think it's easy to say that now, but I mean, we're really just talking about just a little bit more buying right here to break over that high, and then we're having a completely different conversation right now, you know. So my first entry was right here, um, on this candle to make first candle to make a new high after coming down here to pre-market in the WAP. But yeah, it closed below. It really just got. I was waiting for the pullback up here, and it just got weaker and weaker and weaker. And at this point, honestly, I should have been disinterested, but I was too late. I was already heart rate over 100, lost in the sauce, ready to take the entry. Um, but like, I really don't. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Because I mean, it's a decent thesis. It's a lot of reasons right here, to take that trade. So I'm not terribly mad about that. I mean, I'm not really mad about this one either. But I hear you, Trey, on the playbook. Um, but I mean, I'm kind of leaning into the flow thing, and yeah, I mean, I'm kind of leaning into the flow thing. I'm feeling safer to to do what I'm thinking on these stocks. Well, I mean, it's the same concept. It's just a lower time frame, looking for that higher high, higher low over VWAP. It's just under pre-market high, so I didn't take the cold-blooded entry, which would have been
right there, just waiting because I wanted to wait for that pre-market break. So I got in 10 cent higher than I really needed to uh, for that setup. I mean, that would have made all the difference in the type of profit I would have been in up there. So yeah, that part considering, had I been in nice profit heading up to 47, I definitely would have uh no, I definitely don't want to be trading chop, and I'm definitely seeing the chop here for sure. And this is not A plus by any means, or B even. This was just kind of trading what was there. Um, yeah, trading in the range of the opening volume, it really sucks. It's so choppy, man. And that's really why I don't really want to be. Yeah, I'm just not here for these baby moves though, Red. So I'm okay with taking a strikeout today. Because when I hit, it's gonna be multiple R's. So, it was just like today was nothing. There was just really nothing here for me today. And I appreciate you, Trey, for calling out the chop, so I can peep that. Um, oh, my bad, Rob. My this entry was 1016. My first entry, I think, was about the same. I think both of them were pretty much the same entry. Yeah, it's a baby move when your stop is 16 cent. Or what was my stop? Like almost 20 cent. Yeah, 30 cent is a baby move. Like I know you said a thousand shares, but I'm not risking 1,000 shares. I'm not risking $300 to make $300. That's not my game plan at all. Cause I'm trying to stay over pre-market high in VWAP. Um, yeah, I'm not playing that game though. That's not how I'm playing the game. I'm playing the game differently than that. It's gonna make sense one day. To you anyway. Maybe not. Maybe not. But I need to get away from that. um I think I've been doing this, validating the pullback. Um I need to read this in the morning before I start though. 9:45 closing candle. Oh, you're hilarious, bro. Hilarious. He said seriously. Yeah. Thanks, Red. I believe it. I mean, I think I'm in a really cool spot. I think when I actually get what I'm looking for, like the morning that I come in and I got like a serious gapper with that's churning volume pre-market, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. Um, The machine gun is put away. I'm not adding right now. Um, I feel like I have more patience for the entry, and it's just not really coming together. I just haven't seen the opportunities. Like, bro, the opportunities that I was hesitating on like last week or the week before last, like I'm ready for those, And it just be like that. You gotta test your resolve first, see if you're really gonna be patient, see if you can not crash out. So, just taking these little baby red days has been really positive. Let's see what we looking like. Let's import the old trades here. That's hilarious, bro. My guy has zero evidence that the Earth is spinning except for his paintings from NASA. My guy got zero evidence. Just group consensus and trust in authority. That's all you got, bruv. Group consensus and trust in authority. Isn't it, Knives? Yeah. It's wild. Do I wish I took the low of day? Nah, because I'm not doing that kind of trade. I'm happy that I restricted my trades above pre-market high in VWAP because that's my rule. And my trades were all at VWAP at pre-market high, like at a decent support level. So I have a thesis behind it. I'm not looking back at the trade and being like, dang, what was I thinking? Like I can look back and see, okay, that was a reasonable thesis, you know. Why am I why am I being combative focused? You talking about me? I'm not being combative. What'd you say? Do I do wish you took the low of day? That would have been blessed. But you don't play in my schoolyard. Oh, I thought you asked if I wish. My bad. I read it too fast. Yeah, I mean those are legit, but my mind is not calibrated for low of day, you know. Um it's such a trip, man. Like the my lack of discipline has made it very difficult for me to show you guys what I see, so you guys just don't think I see anything. And I get it, if I was watching this channel, I mean, I've been up here for 2 years, falling on my face most days. So I get that. But every now and then, my discipline is just at the right level. And at the same time, the market gives me the exact opportunity that I need. And it just flows and everything goes great. And I've nailed down that criteria for the most part of what that stock situation is, which is the gap up with catalysts, this float criteria. So I feel like I've gotten that part. And like I was trying to express my uptrend ideas on downtrending small caps for months, it's just in the wrong spot for what I was trying to do. And I couldn't keep from trading off stream, and I couldn't keep from going past max loss, and I couldn't stop myself from adding. And these things are slowly getting under control. And like, bro, I've never have 1 R loss days and walk away. Like I got 2 R left to throw at the market. Like, give me a trade. Like somebody find me a damn ticker so I can throw these 2 R's at the wall, right? But I'm not on that time no more, you know? Especially last month, seeing how my excessive trading really just destroyed my month, man, you know? So we get into a really good spot. Um, it's coming, man. It's coming. Because we trade patterns, right? That's what I'm saying. I have a pattern that I want to trade, but y'all think it's crap because my performance has been crap, you know? And I get it. It has been crap. Like that's really, bro, I've been doing this, I've been trading these things for a minute, man. Um, like I have a lot of examples of my idea. I really do. I be wanting to show y'all, but then knives be like, "Oh boy, here we go, going down memory lane." But you know, I think it's helpful for me, and maybe it'll uh you know just kind of give you guys a teeny bit of confidence in me. You know, let's see. These 2025s are crazy. I can't believe I made $1,000 in one trade. We gotta look at that one just on GP. Sold the hell out of that thing. Oh man, I remember when this wick printed, I was like, oh no, it didn't hit my stop, but we ate, boy. But nah, I want to find like a larger cap. Yeah, like stuff like this, bro. Sick. Left so much money on the table. Yeah, this I think was I trading the one? I had to been trading the one. Maybe not. When is this? I think was I trading the one then? In May? You remember Trey? Yep, bruh. It was like I made it. Oh my bad, Red. Let's see. What was your assignment for this weekend? Watch 10 episodes of Storage Wars. I remember that conversation. Yeah. Um, bruh. See, Red was like, bro, why didn't you sell out right here? And I'm like, bro, because it's not done yet. You know, it's not done yet, bro. So just relax. Just relax. You know what I mean? I'm not a scalper. All right? Just relax. Cherry picking. Mm, how did I make this much money on this tiny move, bro? Oh, it's a $40 stock. This tiny move. 44, 47. Guess I had hella ads. No. Huh? Okay, this was like one order block right here, and this was another order block. Okay. Yeah, it's been trash, bro. Oh, you talking about what I'm trading? But how do you stop taking all the bad ones? Um, I mean, I have to build up. I have to build up some strength, man. You know, I just have to build up some strength. I think the trash that I'm trading is getting less and less trashy. Like if we compare last month's trash to this month's trash, or January's trash trades to February's trash trades, I think I've upgraded, to leaving the trash bag on the curb to an actual dumpster container that you roll out to set on the curb. So it's the trash is upgrading a little bit. Soon I'm gonna have a trash compactor in the crib that's gonna squish it all into a nice little square, and. But yeah, I for sure I don't want to trade in this chop. Um, it's today I think I was suffering from a little nuance of wanting to attack the one at the open and not shifting my focus to the five afterwards. I really think that would help a lot to stay out of this. Like if I'm looking at this, if I'm looking at this, I'm not trying to engage. Maybe there, but at this point, like where's the higher high? Is Yeah. So, I appreciate you leaning on me because it's definitely making me want to write more and more about the need to avoid this type of trade for sure. Um, but for a weak guy trying to build some discipline, I just can't be super duper mad at myself because I think I handle myself well. Um, but this is an avoidable, completely avoidable trade for sure. Yeah, maybe I need an alarm for that too. You know, um, it's just not as scary though. I used to live on the 1 minute chart, and I think all the things that made me leave, I said this in a comment to you, Trey, the other day, was trading not in play stocks and yeah, like I was trading a lot of inside days and stocks with no catalyst, and like it was all chop, like every day was chop. And so, and not only that, trading on trading small caps too is wild. um but I think I can loosen the leash a little bit over here, but I still don't want to be trading inside of this type of range. I really don't. This volume coming in though under the lows and then us trading above that made me feel a little that's kind of what made me feel like I could engage this thing, but I should have sold it back at the top for sure. Daily level like that, and we came all the way down here. Yeah. Yeah. Commercials. My bad, Rob. You got to jump on that YouTube Premium. Appreciate you though, man. YouTube been kicking me down a little bit, y'all. It's been kind of cool, man. This thing's turning into something. The Discord is really, I really appreciate the Discord. We got a nice vibe in there. It gets rough. Rob be stirring the pot, bro. Rob, you be stirring the pot in the Discord, bro. Oh man, Rob. You be stirring the pot, bro. Yeah, I'm low key focused. I want to slap that pre-market high break real bad. Real bad. uh I'm not ready to do it yet, Trey. I'm just saying. Like, I'm ready to throw out a 1 minute orb, bro. Like if this 1 minute candle closed over pre-market high, I was taking the orb, bro. I was taking it. It was going down. That's why my heart was racing, bro, because I was finna jump in. It was going down. uh, nah, I've been watching these joints day after day. Yeah, I think so too. Knives, Billy ain't really over here like that. Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. I'm not. The fear is day by day watching these mid caps trade. The fear is just really dissipating, and I'm like, oh, I know what to do here. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna get some. We gonna the playbook. I think is gonna be the main objective this weekend. Knives, because I really want to validate my ideas on the one now, just for like that first 15 minutes of price action, and then I really want to move my bias towards the five. But yeah, yeah. I mean that red candles have really got me interested, and this was this really to me was the prime buy. Cause this one's pretty scary out here in no man's land. But here we're back above the open price, higher low after testing VWAP. That's usually a good sign that we're gonna break it. But I just gotta stand on business though. Before any have even mastered, the mastery is the read of the price action. It's just higher highs and higher lows, bro. It's so simple. It's all the same play, except for the orb. The orb is different for sure. Why is it that scary? Um, it's counter to the way I think about entering the market, you know. And I get the contrarian approach. I was trading that with Trey for a good while, and it makes a lot of sense to me. BW looking interesting again right here. Indeed it is. I bet it could go back to 1047. But bro, the 2 minute is nice. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The 2 minute cleans it up a lot, bro. Oh yeah, the 2 minutes clean, bro. Ooh, why you do that, Siege? Why you do that, Siege? Nah, Rob, I totally get you about the risk to reward. But I know, Trey. What you're missing, Rob, is you got years of experience buying the bottoms of those candles. And all my experience is buying the breaks of highs. Well, I'm not trading anymore, HH. We just rapping right now. We just rapping now. I mean, at this point, I think you need the 15 to draw the trend. Something like that. Same argument every day. Oh. I mean, I'm cool doing it my way though, Rob. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I know you winning big time over there, and I appreciate that you want me to win big time like you, bro. But I just gotta do it my way, man. I just gotta do it my way. What you mean, Trey? Oh yeah, the flow camp. Yeah, bro. Like, bro, honestly, man, fear has been an obstacle for me for a minute. Just from putting myself in so many bad situations, you know. Fear has definitely cuz it's like I've tried to execute my ideas in places that they don't belong for so long that I've lost a lot of confidence, you know. But now I'm feeling like I'm back where I need to be, and um yeah, that's how I'm feeling, Trey. Like, bro, that was me on BW today. Like, I see it. This is an uptrend on the 1 minute chart. You know, it's chopping. It's inside the range, so it's not ideal. But I mean, did it not uptrend after I entered it? Like, you know, I read it. It did what I expected it to do. I just you know, I didn't take this opportunity to sell because I wanted more, even though we were underneath all this volume and stuff. So, you know, it's hard for me to take the base hits. It's really hard for me to take the base hits, you know. I'm like you said, Barry Bonds, I gotta I'm like dude on signs, man. Like, you know, I got the home run record and the strikeout record, you know. What's up, Akash Live Trades? I'm done with small caps, bro. I had my LeBron James press conference, and I told everybody I'm taking my talents to mid caps, bro. Yeah, I had 1R. It might have ticked a little past 1R up there at 1047 for a second. For a second, yeah. I only lost like 0.22R on that second entry. So risk was managed really well today. And you know, I'm just the market just sucks right now for me. You know, it's just not the ops are super rare. Like yesterday, nothing on the scanner. The day before, one thing on the scanner. Today, one thing on the scanner. You know, it's just a little dry right now. So keeping the losses small. You know, a more disciplined version of myself would just be cool sitting on hands and not even be tempted by this. But I'm not there yet. You know, I want to be there, but I'm not there yet. And I'm trying to, you know, I'm gonna write in my report card about this trade and how it was avoidable and what I can do to avoid it. And you know, I'm gonna talk about this opening volume and how I don't like to trade back into the range of this kind of volume. I want to be above that kind of volume. But you know, when you're freaking super thirsty to take a trade, it's just like, bruh, you know, and you know, I'm working on that muscle, but yeah, you know, put me on an uptrend though, I'm gonna freaking destroy that thing, you know. So you just gotta just waiting for that joint to show up, man. Just waiting for that joint to show up. Yo, straight up. Yeah, go check it out, Rob. Let me know. I think it was one something. I don't think it went too far. My entry was kind of wide. It was kind of wide. 4 time frames. Yeah. Yeah, we in a good spot, man. Ad low day playbook. Nah, we cool. I'm cool on that. I'm cool on that. That's way down the road. All my plays are uptrend momentum plays right now. I'm not picking off the floor right now. I got stopped out, but it was above opening price. Well, because my idea failed. You know, my idea is not, it's going up and I just want to put my stop somewhere where it won't get hit. My idea is this is the low of this move, right? My idea is this is the low of this move, right? That this is it. The buyers have come in and we're going up from here. That's my idea. We're at VWAP, we're at pre-market high, we're at my EMA. My idea is this is the low. So I'm entering and my stop is there. So if this is not the low, then I was wrong. And I want to get my money back, you know? I'm like, who knows where it's going from there? Broke low a day afterwards? Like why do I need to risk all the way down here to figure out that I was wrong here? You know? And over here, my idea was this is the low. This hammer candle right here, this was the low of this move. We're going to hold this EMA and VWAP and we're going to move up. So my stop was right here under this candle. And that's where it stayed. And it did good right there because my idea was right. I was right. It moved up from there and never came back to that price until rejecting the level. So entry to level, that's a darn good move, man. I really got to take that, but my entry wasn't good enough for that to be good enough for me. And you know, those are the times where I'm like, man, I shouldn't be looking at my P&L because I was trading my P&L instead of trading the chart. The chart was saying sell, so I get Red's point for sure. But yeah, third high too. Really, if you're being honest, 1, 2, 3. That's one thing I really want to keep conscious of is that third high. I gotta sell the third high. That's just good price action reading. And I always forget though. I remembered one time last week, I think, and sold that third high. But I really want to sell that third high. I got to figure out a way to remember that. I wish I had an indicator for that. That would be cool if it was like one had a number 2 over that one. um, okay, but like Rob on the 5 right here, this ain't your play right here. Like at this point, at my entry here, this was the low, right? And then we broke over the close of this red candle. Isn't that your trade? And stop goes under that low? Oh, my bad, Trey. What up, Samurai? I mean, I've honestly been impressed with Rob's screenshots, man. His executions, I think they're, really in line with what he's been saying and buying the break of the close and, selling that profit. I think he just ruffled everybody's feathers so long before he showed anything. Oh man. Bro, the first day you came in, Rob, was that oh no, that wasn't you. That was my other boy that popped in and was talking grimy, bro. Came in flexing. My dude came in came into the Discord dropping P&L and flex memes. Like, bro, no, 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 no. Nah, bro, don't do that. Oh man, it was immediate. Like, man, who the F is this guy? He completely flipped the Discord upside down. Everybody's pissed. I got private messages like this dude gotta go. Oh man. The same thing about you, Rob. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, he been showing the P&L and everything. So, I definitely think Rob is the real deal. He just doesn't think there's a way to trade besides his way. My way or the highway, bro. Red 2. Red 2. Yeah. I think Rob, I don't understand, bro, because I'm not trying to understand. I mean, I want to understand, but I want you to understand that I'm gonna do it my way. There's a really cool song like that, right? I did it my way. I'm stubborn as hell, bro. I'm not doing it any other way. I'm just not, bro. I'm stubborn as hell. Obviously, I've been doing this since 2020. I've been doing this since 2020. All right, Rob. I appreciate you, bro. I've learned a lot from you, man, but you just gotta let me do my thing at the same time. Hit that like button on your way out. Slap fives. um, yeah. Yeah, bro. Like, just say I hate money. Focus, you too. We got Focus, Rob, and Red. Yo, Pharaoh, you still be hanging out, bro? I think Pharaoh made it to the other side, man. Shout out to him, man. Shout out Ben. Ben just like Ben been around since Ben used to just be sitting here with me every day. Like, I mean, we don't know if your strategy works or not because you never follow the rules. That was me and Ben's conversation every day. Yeah, you're right. Oh, just like literally, I've been here for 2 years trying to trying to get myself to follow the rules with people coming in here every day helping me, trying to help me. Like, bro, man, Alex gave up on me. I ain't mad at him though. He stuck in for a long time for me. I actually got a notification today from YouTube. Congrats on 2 years. Woo, we did it. Yo, what up, RJ? Been on here for 2 years. It felt like longer than that. I thought I was coming up on 3. Feels like forever. How you doing, RJ? What's good? Am I sure they're not sim trades? I just take people at their word, Bobby. Because I'm not trying to copy trade. So it doesn't really matter. you know, like if I was taking like one-to-one mentorship, then it'd be like, all right, bro, can I see something? Can I see a broker statement or something? Um, I actually had one of Ross' students. We got one of Ross's students in our Discord, and he hit me up in the Discord probably last year sometime and was helping me out a bit. And he showed me, like, just so you know, I'm not BSing. And my man's gets to the bag. It was very impressive. Like, wow, bro. It was really inspiring to see that it's possible. Like, okay, I can do it. Yeah. uh, it's a trip though, like the concern of who's profitable and who's not, because I think for the most part we all know what to do, you know, and if you're watching somebody mess up, it's not really that hard to be like, this is what you're doing wrong. Even if you're not profitable, like if you've just been doing it for a while, you know what to do and you know what you're not supposed to do. So, I mean, you know, like these fake gurus, they really be helping people. Like they got testimonials. These guys on YouTube that sell courses and can't trade their way out of a paper bag. They got testimonials of people saying you changed my life and you got me on, cuz they know what to do. They just can't do it, you know? Yeah, it is in front of the account number. It is in front of the account number. I don't know what to do. I mean, I I mean, I can't argue with you, bro. I can't argue with you. I can't say that I do because uh I would be rich. I would be rich. Yeah, that's there's a common saying, those who can't do teach, you know. It's just different. And I mean, we see it all over the place, bro. Y'all watch boxing? Y'all see Terrence Crawford's coach, Bomac? My man's is like 400 pounds. Terrence Crawford, the best pound for pound boxer in the world, put the pause on Canelo Alvarez. His coach is 400 freaking pounds. I can't believe it. Like boxing camp in boxing has got to be one of the most rigorous, like strenuous, like you gotta be locked in, disciplined. I can't imagine being in camp and watching this man maintain 400 pounds, smashing burgers all day. And but hey, best boxer in the world, coach of the year, you know? So, nah, ain't got no reason to come back, bro. None. There's no reason. I hope he don't come back, man. I hope he don't come back. He should just ride off into the sunset with dignity and honor. Like Floyd kind of looked like a clown right now. Like Floyd's legacy to me is taking hit after hit with these silly exhibition fights, and it's just he kind of whack now. Nah, I know what to do, but knowing what to do and knowing how to do it or being able to do it. It's just different, man. It's just different. Like you can learn pattern recognition and come up with a few simple rules to navigate a strategy, to navigate a setup, pretty quickly. But to reprogram your mind to work with the stock market, that's a lot, you know. I was saying it looked kind of good right now. It's a slow performer. I don't think it's worth it, HH. It's not worth it, bro. This thing has no volume. It's below most of the trading volume of the day. It ain't worth it, man. It ain't worth it. It's got to be something better than this, like being in cash. I think being in cash would have been better than sitting here staring at chop over everything. Is that what that is, Trey? Chop over everything. Catalyst. Oh, okay. Yeah. I can dig it. It looked pretty cool on the 30-minute though, big old hammer candle. Volume ain't really that thick on it. But I just don't think it's worth it. Maybe tomorrow it'll pop. Good luck though, bro. I hope it goes for you, man. Hope it gives you what it wouldn't give to me. Hey y'all, don't forget, hit that like button while we hanging out, just a little clickeroo. Help your boy out. Tomorrow, yeah, bro. Like, look how slow the volume is, even less than when I was trading it, bro. And it was moving slow as heck. Like, it's gone, man. It's over. It's over. We get a little pop there, though. Okay. I think you had to get it off here for it to be worth something, though. Yeah. Nah, it's not the float though, it's the volume, man. If it had good volume, that thing would be churning. It'd be cool. What was the first candles? Yeah, it's kind of weak sauce, man. Yeah, I hope you get it, bro. But look like he out of that trend line, kinda. Nah, not yet. Not yet. Catalyst over everything. Yeah, I'm definitely happy to be in Catalyst land. One of the big things about the me wanting to trade uptrends was that I wanted everything to be in line. Like I wanted a high probability, not just for a green day, but for a wide range green day. That's what I was hunting for on the charts. And to have those types of days, you need a big gap over resistance. And honestly, the gap on BW wasn't that great. It was great percentage wise, but as far as location, not really. I actually should have had 1047 as a line in the sand. Or if anything, a mandatory sell into now that I'm breaking down this daily setup a little more. That hindsight be crispy. Oh, that's what we doing. That's what we doing. Yeah, so we just basically gapped right into this resistance right here. Not ideal. Not ideal. So yeah, this had CB setup written all over it from the daily all the way down. But still has some opportunities. I'm really liking these small red days though. You know, it sucks being red, but like 1 hour, you know, your boy lost $1.98 today. You know, got to learn a little bit about choppy stocks, and you know, not too bad, not too bad. But all right, you guys, I'm gonna go and do this report card and get on with my day. I did my work already last night, so I'm not going in today. Okay, here you go, HH. Here you go. Come on, let me give you little bugs before I get out of here. Get them bugs. All right, man. Hey, y'all, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you have not. Shout out Bobby, first member of the channel. Appreciate you, bro. Discord links in the description. And y'all have a good day, man. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Warren and Rand's just getting started. Oh gosh, bro. So ridiculous. We ain't got no business on nobody else's soil with all the problems we got here, but let's not get political. All right, y'all. Holla. Peace.